How to fix missing required DS files on your Delta account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's dive in the video to show you that how can you fix missing required DS files error on your Delta account. For this, here is how to fix the missing required DS files error on Delta emulator in 2024. So, you can just I will just guide you through the process of importing them if you already have them. First step is launch the Delta emulator app. Open the setting menu. This might be a gear icon and location can be vary. Third is navigate to the BIOS settings section. Now you simply have to locate the options to import BIOS files. These might be named BIOS 7 bin or etc. Tap on each file name. Delta will prompt you to select the corresponding BIOS file from your device storage. So this is all about the steps. You can simply do it. This is the video. If you like this, then please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical videos, reviews and updates like this.